Is horoscope only meant for an individual? Not really. There is a specific section in Jyotish Shastram called Medini Jyotisha, or in English, mundane astrology. Here, horoscopes are designed and analyzed for a country. Sarvebhyah Namaskaraha. In this episode, I would like to give you an overview of Medini Jyotisha.
Medini means land, earth, place. Hence, the influence of grahas on a particular place is called Medini Jyotisha. Another name is Desha Gochara. Desha, we all know, means country. Let's split Gochara. Go means graha, chara means movement. In totality, Desha Gochara means a part of Jyotish Shastram that deals with the influence on a country caused by the movement of grahas. Similarly, in English, mundane means relating to the world or earth. Hence, Westerners have termed it as mundane astrology. When grahas can influence one individual, then naturally grahas will also influence the nature of the country, people in the country, and its rulers. In Treta Yuga, we see that Ayodhya did not have a ruler for 14 years due to malefic influence of grahas. In modern times, Medini Jyotisha talks about the influence of grahas on the person running the country, that is, our Prime Minister, and the people of the country. Medini Jyotisha indicates the country's state in areas such as economy, financial conditions, health, education, etc. The social, cultural, and political aspects can also be examined through this science. How do we analyze the influence of grahas on a country? Just like we need a horoscope for an individual, we need the horoscope for a country. How do we make a horoscope for a country? We saw earlier that three primary elements are required for making a horoscope for an individual, that is, date, time, and place of birth. How do we do this for a country? For instance, India's horoscope is made on the day independent India was born, that is, on 15th August 1947, at the stroke of midnight. Most of you all understand to some extent what a horoscope signifies for an individual. For instance, Lagna, or the first bhava in the horoscope, signifies the overall health and attitude of the person. Second bhava denotes the person's wealth and family would be. Similarly, third house or third bhava indicates siblings. But this is with respect to an individual's horoscope. How will this work for a nation? Let's see the 12 bhava characteristics with respect to a nation. Lagna denotes impact on health of the nation, life conditions, etc. Second bhava signifies impact on financial matters, the health of the financial organizations such as banks, nation's wealth. Third bhava denotes relationship with other countries, transportation, communication channels such as newspapers. Fourth bhava indicates education in the country and the impact on colleges, schools, and industries such as agriculture, construction, etc. Fifth bhava signifies child welfare in the country, research centers, ambassadors, etc. Sixth bhava denotes public health, epidemics, safety with respect to military, exams, enemies. Seventh bhava indicates foreign affairs, foreign trade, wars, marital setup in the country. Eighth bhava signifies death rate, death of rulers, accidents, suicides, famine, deceits. Ninth bhava denotes religious institutions, religious matters such as festivals, judicial setup, scientific research. Tenth bhava indicates parliament, power. 11th bhava signifies gains from other countries, income through various sources. Finally, 12th bhava denotes enemies within the country, hospitals, agitations, various factors that lead to a loss to the country. You can relate this to economics. Microeconomics is the study of small segments such as consumer behavior, markets, supply, and demand. This is similar to our individual horoscope and how it impacts that individual and people associated with that individual. Whereas macroeconomics is the overall health of the country's economy and even global economy. This is similar to Medini Jyotisha, which is the country's horoscope and how the people within that country are impacted. Hope that gives you an idea of what Medini Jyotisha or Desha Gochara or mundane astrology indicates.
Thanks for your valuable time. Do subscribe if you would like to see more such informative videos on Jyotish Shastram. Dhanyavadaha.